You may have some people who are so arrogant in their abuse. And then you may have the people around you, especially family members, who see this type of abuse and they're dismissive of your feelings. They diminish what you're going through and they plead the fifth when they see it with their own eyes. How many of us have been damaged in some way? And when we lift up our heads, we see someone witnessing what we went through. And as we make eye contact with them, they look away. They turn their head, they turn their body, they turn off their ears to what we're going through. Now we've been hurt twice. We've been hurt at the hands of the first person who's abusing us, and we've been hurt by the person who is able to assist and chooses not to. That is a very difficult situation to be in. Imagine there is someone out there that can save you from what you're going through, that can provide you with hope, provide you with a safe place, provide you with a shoulder to cry on and an ear to listen to. And they don't even have the courage to tell you no. They show you no. They walk away. And then eventually, when it comes out, what do they always say? No way that person did that. I can't believe that happened to you. And here's the most painful statement they ever say. Why didn't you say anything? I had no idea it was that serious. Some people mean well when they say those things, but a lot of times when they say those things, it come across as being an additional dagger in our back. Or depending on who said it, it's a dagger in front of us. You see, the person who turns their back on us when we're being hurt, they don't stab us in the back, they stab us in the front. They just don't realize it. Because we know that they could have done something and they chose not to do something, which is different than the person who doesn't know and is unable to help because they don't know. But if the person has witnessed it, they've seen it firsthand, that is a lot different than the person who has no idea if you're telling the truth or not because they're hearing it from you days later when you don't look like you've gone through the abuse. So to everyone out there, you're going to find that one of the most painful things that you'll ever experience is going to someone who you thought can help you in your moment of need. And instead of helping you, they've turned their back and now you've been damaged twice.